Welcome to the UIS Career Development Center's tutorial on uploading documents to UIS CareerConnect. During this tutorial, you will learn how to add resumes, cover letters, and other documents to your UIS CareerConnect account. Within UIS CareerConnect, you can store many documents that you will use in applying to jobs or other opportunities. You can store resumes, cover letters, unofficial transcripts, writing samples, and other document types. You can store up to 10 individual documents within your UIS CareerConnect account. There are several reasons to upload documents to UIS CareerConnect. First, uploading your resume and other documents allows you to submit applications online. Several of our employers request that you submit your application online. On-campus student jobs require students to apply online by submitting their resumes through UIS CareerConnect. Also, this allows you to participate in resume books. Through resume books, you can opt in or out of a program that allows employers to view your resume and contact you if your resume shows that you match some potential opportunities the employer may have. Remember to upload your documents before you find a job you want to apply for. This way, you'll be ready and able to submit a job application when the opportunity presents itself. Before you can upload a document, you will need to create your document. Before you begin creating a resume, make sure to check UIS CareerConnect for the latest resume requirements. I'll show you more about those in a moment. Create your resume, cover letter, or other document using Microsoft Word or another word processing software package. Try to save your file as a .doc or .docx file. We have found that this format works very well with UIS CareerConnect. If you're not sure how to get started in creating a resume or a cover letter, try Resume Builder. This is an online resume and cover letter wizard that you can use and find within UIS CareerConnect. Each resume posted to UIS CareerConnect must meet the minimum requirements posted in UIS CareerConnect. You can see those requirements in green boxes like this one here. I'll show you more of those as we progress. Each resume or cover letter uploaded to UIS CareerConnect is checked by our career counselors. If your resume does not meet the minimum requirements, you will be notified through an email. This process ensures that you represent yourself professionally when applying for jobs. Please remember to allow a minimum of 1 business day for our counselors to review your document. And during exceptionally busy times of the year, like the beginning or end of a semester and during career fair time, this process may take a little longer. Be patient, but plan ahead and post early. Before you're ready to submit your document, check your document's file size. All documents posted to UIS CareerConnect must be less than 500 KB in size. That's a little less than half of a megabyte. Resumes, cover letters, and writing samples should easily fit within this request. However, if your document seems too large, there are a few things that you can check for. You can check for pictures and clip art, themes that use background images or a lot of shading, and embedded multimedia files such as sounds or songs. Each of these takes up a fair amount of space, and removing them should help reduce your document file size. Now that you have some basic background information, you are ready to upload your document to UIS CareerConnect. You'll find the link to UIS CareerConnect on the Career Development Center's homepage at www.uis.edu/careerservices. When you get to the login page, make sure to take a moment and review the information in the green box. If you're a first-time visitor, this will tell you how to obtain your username and password. Also, this is the first place that you can see the resume minimum requirements list. When you're ready, enter your username and password and click the Go button to log in. When the page reloads, you'll notice another green box near the top of your student homepage within UIS CareerConnect. Here again are the resume minimum requirements. Before you can move on to posting documents, you may need to complete some information in your profile. CareerConnect will take you to your profile if you need to. For this tutorial, we've already done that, and we can go directly to the My Documents and Resume Builder section where we can upload our documents. We also see a group of new tabs near the top of the page. Let's go through those. The Approved Documents tab shows you a list of documents that have been previously approved and are ready for use. You can use these documents at any time to apply for any jobs you like. Next door is the Pending Documents tab. This is where resumes and cover letters go while they're waiting for our career counselors to look at them and approve them. Next to that is our Resume Builder tab. This is where you can get started on a brand new resume or cover letter, and is a wizard-based program that will walk you through the process. Next, you'll find the tab that you can use for opting in to resume books. You'll also see the Document Library tab. We've posted some helpful information for you here, so you may want to take some time to look at this. Now, we want to post our new resume, so we're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page on our Approved Documents tab, and we're going to locate the Add New button. Clicking the Add New button takes us to a new page where we can enter the information about the document that we want to upload. We're going to upload a new resume. So the first thing we need to do is we need to label our new resume. We'll give it a descriptive name, but the name can be anything we choose. Once you've given it a label, you'll need to choose a document type. By default, CareerConnect assumes that you're going to upload a resume. However, you can switch this to cover letter, unofficial transcript, writing sample, or if none of those fit, other document. Next, we'll need to tell UIS CareerConnect where to find the file we want to upload. We'll do this by clicking the Browse button, and a new little window will pop up. This window will allow us to browse the files on our computer to find the file that we have ready to upload. We'll click on its name, and we'll click Open. Now we're ready to hit the Submit button. One important thing to remember is not to leave UIS CareerConnect before the page has refreshed and returns you to your Approved Documents page. Doing so may mean that your document is not fully transmitted to UIS CareerConnect, and you may need to start the process over. After you've uploaded your document, make sure to check that Pending Documents tab to view the list of documents waiting for career counselor approval. You should see your new document waiting there if it is a resume or cover letter. Otherwise, it goes directly to your approved list. Then, check your email if you uploaded a resume or cover letter. You will be notified via email regarding the approval or denial of your document. If it's approved, it will appear in your Approved Documents tab and will be ready for you to use when applying for jobs and other opportunities. However, if you're informed that your document was not approved, do carefully read the email that you receive. It will explain why your document was denied and make some suggestions that will help you improve it. Then, make any necessary corrections, save the document to your computer, and resubmit your document as we just showed you. If at any time you need some help with your resume, cover letter, or other document, the Career Development Center is here to help. You can start by browsing the Career Development Center's website at www.uis.edu/career-services. You can also stop by during walk-in hours. If you bring a rough draft, our career counseling staff can sit down with you and spend a few minutes going over some things that you can do to improve your resume. Our walk-in hours are posted on our website. If the walk-in hours don't fit your schedule, you can also make an appointment with one of our career counselors. This will give you some one-on-one time to work on your questions about your document. Just use the link on our front page to make an appointment. We hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to upload documents to UIS CareerConnect. Thank you for taking your time to review this tutorial.